Hi friend, this side Aditya Kumar, and today I'm going to discuss mathematics past papers of SEC past papers. You can see here. So it's a matriculation and senior secondary education certification exam board, University of Malta, Masida, and it's a secondary education certificate level, O level past papers. So let's see how can we solve these questions. Okay. So question number one, we can see here it's squaring 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So it is a square of 6, this is a square of 7, this is a square of 8, this is a square of 9 and this is a square of 10. So next number will be square of 11, that is 1, 2, 1. So our answer is 1, 2, 1. Okay. And arrange second question, how can we arrange in order starting from smallest. So first we need to count in decimal, so this is the negative number, so this will be the smallest number. Okay, first thing first, and it's a 0.3, it's a 0.33 and this is 0.30 and this number will be 0.03, so it will be 0.03, 0.03, then it will be zero point 0.3, this number, and then this will be, it's a 0.33. Okay, so we can write it's a 0.3 and this number is 1, this one it's a 3 into 10 to the power minus 2, and this is a which number, it's a 0.3, 0.3 basically, and then we have which number, it's a 1 by 3. I hope you understood this question well. So now solve, how can you do that? Okay, now can we see question number 3, calculate angle ADC following diagram in which ABCD is parallelogram and angle DAB is 81. So how can we do that? It's a very important question. So in parallelogram, any adjacent angles having the sum is 180 degree. So this is 180. So this will be how much? It will be 99, because angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree. So here angle 1 is how much? It's 81 plus angle D is 180. So we can calculate angle D equal to 180 minus 81. So how much? I think it's 99. So it's 99 degree. Okay. So this is the answer. Now find question number 4. Find the value of 5a square 8b when a equal to 4 and b equal to 1 by 2. So let's put the value here. So it's a 5 into a square means 4 into 4, and 8 into b is 1 by 2. So it will be 4 here, and 4 is a cancel out this 4. So only 5 into 4 is remaining, it's a 20. So our answer will be 20. And in this question the mean of 5 number is a 24 and the 4 of them is a 20, 21, 25 and 27. Find the fifth number. So first what we can do, mean equal to, it's a sum of the all the numbers upon total numbers, means 20 plus 21 plus 25 plus 27 plus x upon 5. Okay, and this value is given how much, it's a 24. So I think 5 into 24, it will be 120, and this is a total we have to add. So x plus, it's 0 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13, it's 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 90, it's 93. So if you subtract from it 120, 120 minus 93, so subtract 90, it will be 30, so it will be 27. So our answer will be how much, it's a 27. And this question, how can we do that? It's a 90 plus 100, and it's a 90 minus 10. So how can we subtract these questions? It's a 90 minus 82. 90 minus 82. What will be the answer? I think it should be 100. I think something is missing here. So if you do like that, let's suppose it's considered it's 100, so it will be 90 square minus 100 square upon 90 minus 82. Okay, so this question can be solved. It's 900 minus 1000. So what will be the value? Otherwise we can also do it's 190, and this will be 80, and this will be 8. 90 minus 82, 8. So it will be cancel out, say 10. So this will be 1900. So I hope you like this question and you understand easily. If you need any clarification, you can comment below. I will surely help you out. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.